In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a wall book holder. First of all, we have to make an existing wall with a rotated rectangle. And you can set the thickness of the wall with any size. And maybe we can set the length of the wall, maybe around 3 meter, and the height around 3 meter also. Okay, just like this, and then you can make it group. Okay, so then we can make the simple book holder with this tool, rotated rectangle. Okay, and then we can place on this position with any size, maybe just simple and as proportional as possible. We can place on this book holder. We can move it down a little bit. So then we can push it to the front. We can push it to the front, and then we can make the duplication. Okay, we can make the duplication. We can push it a little bit to the back, and then we can move and duplicate it, just something like this. Okay, so and then we can place on this position. We can okay, we can make the little little space for book anyway. Maybe we can make another space, make more large space, and then we can push it to the front again just a little bit as the book thickness anyway. Okay, so then we can just make it group, and we can move it. We can move it to the back, just something like this. Make it group, and then we can click it and just click outer cell, so it will be combined. Okay, and then we can draw the book for illustration anyway. So then we have to push it to the front just a little bit, then we can push it to the right. Okay, this is about the simple illustration of the book itself, and just make group. Okay, and then we can set the material. We can use the other material of the wall maybe. Then we can set the wood for the we can set the wood for this um, book holder anyway. So and then we can select it, and then we can duplicate to the another position to make the variation of it. We can place in another space of this for another wall anyway. Okay, so then we can assign it with the another color of it. We can assign the another color. Maybe we can use this, and then we can set the orange color, or maybe we can use green color of the book. We can set the blue, or maybe we can set the dark color of the book, just like this. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.